If you're staying at Center Parcs Les Ardennes with your family, there's one place you simply can't miss. The children's farm. This little corner is designed so that the youngest visitors can meet farm animals in a safe, fun environment. Whether it's watching them, petting them, or just walking around the enclosures, it's a simple and authentic moment the whole family can enjoy. You'll find all the farm favorites here: goats, chickens, rabbits, and even sheep and ponies sometimes. The children can get close to the animals, and during certain times of the day, they can even help feed them and ask all the questions they want. What I personally love is how the space is completely safe and accessible. You can take your time, enjoy the atmosphere, and the little ones can explore freely, always under the watchful eyes of the parents, of course. It's also the perfect opportunity to unplug for a while away from screens, away from busy play areas. Here, it's all about the essentials. The animals, the children's laughter, the calm of nature. That's what holidays should be all about.